Hey everybody, Dustin the Fandom Traveler here. Just over my shoulder is the Doctor Who activation, and I cannot resist the opportunity to go through the door into the TARDIS. So we're gonna bring you guys along. Hope you are Doctor Who fans and wonder what we're gonna see inside. So it looks like they've got a range of merch here, some pins. That print for the Cybermen looks pretty cool. They've got a bag, some crossbodies here, some action figures. Oh yeah, there's some nice cool stuff here. TARDIS mode stickers, that looks fun. Hi. Thank you. All right, so I'm here in line at the Doctor Who activation, and I'm here with Tegan, who was right behind me in line and was rocking this amazing Who cosplay. I have the hat, the Tom Baker special hat, of course the beautiful scarf. Everything about your fit is killer, and you've got a sonic screwdriver to boot.
Sure do.
Yeah, so can you explain a little bit about what you think, what brought you to Doctor Who as a fan?
I have been watching Doctor Who my whole life. My dad watched Doctor Who when he was a kid, and then I was like 2 years old, and he was like, you know what, time to watch Doctor Who. I was terrified of the Daleks, but it never left me, it stuck with me.
Very cool. And why do you think it's still so popular after so many years and so many different doctors?
I think it's Doctor Who is unique in its ability to take place. It could be anywhere, and it can be any genre, and any time, any place in the universe. So really, like, there's no end to the kind of stories it can tell. It can be in the past, it can be in the future. It could, like, whatever your imagination dreams up, it can be on Doctor Who, and I think that's the reason why it's able to continue going after 60 plus years.
What a lovely answer. Nice to meet you, Tegan.
Me too.
Thank you for chatting with us.
Thank you.
All right. Time to walk in. Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hi, I'm doing great. How is your day going?
Pretty good. Welcome to the Units Black Archive. Here we have a collection of some of the world's most dangerous, amazing, and weird alien objects found on planet Earth. I want to let you know that I appreciate you today because you are coming as a unit recruit, which means that you have access to our top security facility today. So I'm going to give you your badge here, boss.
All right.
This is what you'll be able to use to access to get inside, check off some of the cool and weird and kooky things out, and security's there, so if you don't have it, when they ask for it, you can be some trouble there, okay?
All right.
Ask me to come save me because they zap my brain every time I leave every day, so I never remember. So go in there and enjoy yourself and have a good time, and I got a surprise for you on the way out.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you as well.
Wow. All right. Got a lot of interesting props and items in here. Oh my. Wow. Very cool. And we've got what appears to be a little aqua egg. It looks like you can put your hands in there and actually appreciate that.
Oh, no. Yeah, not yet. That was supposed to be a little bit first time I saw that. And then I rewatched that scene.
Got a few different models of Cybermen heads. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is such a cool. Look at these coming out of the archives. This one is unknown. Of course, the silencers. There's a code here. This code can tell you how to read what's written on the arms. Which, if you saw those silence episodes, you could kind of figure out how they crack that. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Over here we've got the clockwork droid masks, some Auton heads. All of these are really, they're basically props or things that were used during the show and have now been brought here to be shown off as archives, which is super cool. Oh, look at this. Remember the Doctor hates pears. That's great. Oh, barber's clippers and the Silurian needle. Very cool. Everything in here seems to have some type of, oh, look at that, the trunk. That's so cool. Wow, the toy maker's deck of cards here. That's pretty incredible. And what do we have here? Ooh, the Master's Matchbox. Sonic Screwdriver. Doctor Who and the Runaway Bride by I.M. Foreman. Oh, super cool. Jodun scanner. We've got lots of papers here, and I wonder if we're allowed to look at any of these papers. Mr. Ring-a-Ding film canister. This was found on Earth in 1952. I love it. They've got the silence kind of showing up in here on these screens. Different beasts and monsters from Doctor Who's past. The Sontaran helmet. Very cool, very 80s BBC looking props. I'll go back and look over on this side. Oh, I wonder what's causing that. There's some nitro. They've got a bunch of files here. You can see reminder to check for basic psych training in 1400 hours. There's an Adipose Industries, if you remember that episode. Very cool. This is the Dalek mutant. Got a bunch of glasses here. This is Dalekanium, excuse me. Very interesting.
Take notes at school, you have to stamp all of your notes.
Top secret.
These are Queen Elizabeth's first notes. These papers are all cool. Hook this up to the owner of the orange moped. Please move the vehicle from the unit ops room. And we've got this interesting board up here that draws a lot of connections between these different characters over the history, mostly recent history, Doctor Who franchise. Got some hole punches over here. It's an old answering machine. A tea kettle, a thermos, and of course these fantastic mugs. The Gallifreyan box up here. It's pretty awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, who couldn't use a fan? You get this nice Doctor Who fan at the very end. Wow, super cool. Okay, so the line moves pretty quickly here, and the experience is really cool. A lot of awesome props and things from the past in Doctor Who. If you're a fan, you definitely want to come out and check this out. And if you couldn't be here, I hope you enjoyed being able to check it out here. We're off to see some more activations. We'll see you in the next video.